Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Trojan bot to Phantom Wallet. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, start by opening up the Phantom Wallet. And once you're in here, just go to the top left, tap on your profile, and then just go ahead and select the account. Okay. Once selected, go ahead and go to the top and tap on settings. Now in here, go to the search bar and just type down key. In the drop down, we have your private key. Just tap on it. And then once done, there'll be a prompt right here that says your private key is like a password for your account. If someone gets it, they can drain your wallet. Okay, do keep that in mind. Just tap on the checkbox right here. And then once done, hit on continue. And here you have your private keys. Okay, for example, you wanted to withdraw from Trojan bot to your Solana, you can go ahead and tap on Solana in here and then just tap on copy to clipboard. And once done, just tap on I understand. Okay, after that, hit on done or just go back. Okay, now open up your Telegram. In here in the Trojan on Solana bot, you can go ahead and go to your wallet. As you can see here, I don't have the wallet option because my balance is 0, but you'll be able to see that in here under trenches or above help. If it says wallet, just tap on it and you will have the withdraw option. Okay, just tap on the withdraw option and then the next step, it will ask you to import your Solana wallet. So just paste the copied wallet address from your Phantom wallet, paste it and just hit on send. And after that, you're good to go. All right. Or you can go ahead and add in your wallet so that you can seamlessly withdraw or deposit, however you like. Just go ahead over to settings in here. Okay, wait for it to load. And once it loads, there'll be an option right here to add in your wallet. So just go ahead and follow simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go as well. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.